What's poppin' YouTube and Haki gang? This is of course your boy Haki Customz coming at you another vid. And as you seen from the thumbnail and the title, which I'm pretty sure y'all have read, today, not yesterday, not tomorrow, today we got a custom video. So I ran a giveaway once I hit 1K on IG. And the winner of the giveaway sent in their shoes. So if you want to be a part of the next giveaway, make sure you follow me on IG. The link is in the description. And just stay tuned because I think I'm going to run another giveaway once I hit 50K on TikTok. So it's coming soon. You might as well go ahead and just click the link, then click follow. It's literally 2 clicks. But so the customer sent in their shoes. The winner, got them right here. They were dirty. They were a little dirty before. I'm probably gonna run some B-roll that way y'all can see them better. But they were a little dirty. They were dirtier than they look now. Probably because of the light and how I'm holding it and how well I cleaned it. So they was dirtier than that before. I mean, they still not completely clean, but I'm doing a custom, not a restoration, so they don't have to be, Yeah. They definitely been worn. Woo, boy, God. So yeah, so we got the shoes. He sent in the shoes and the theme that he wanted. I love it when my customers do this. They just send me the shoe and they give me a theme and I can basically freestyle just off their theme. I love doing that. I feel like I do my best customs when I do that, but that's just my opinion. So yeah, the theme that he chose was a wolf. So we're doing like a wolf theme. I'm gonna go crazy. If it comes out how I pictured it in my head, it's gonna be crazy. So make sure y'all ready for that. I don't want to hold y'all no longer. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on social media platforms at Haki Customz. Yeah, let's get into it. Hey, girl, you big girl, see